Okay, now let's talk about the best career path. I've been talking a bit before, but what is the best next position for you? Should you stay in the same position or not? Just to give you an idea, I'm talking about it in my complete guide about salary and jobs, but you could stay in the same position, stay, use the same, annual pay rise, 5% a year maximum. You could change, you could keep stay in the same field, but changing position. So you will have a faster growth, or you can change position and change your field of expertise as well. Okay, so keep this in mind. This is a slow career path, and it's okay. Maybe you want to go slow, and I don't want to push you, but just if you have ambition, you could say, okay, logistic coordinator, then supply chain coordinator, then analyst in your 40s, and then maybe service manager in your 50s. That's one classic example. Okay, you realize mostly on company's promotion, you are waiting, that they give you the opportunity, that they give you a raise, that they give you a training as well. Or you could have a fast track career. You say, okay, logistic coordinator, then you're going to train. Okay, I'm going to learn forecasting and inventory management and analytics. I'm going to become demand planner. Then I'm going to focus more on my soft skills and becoming S&OP manager, and then a supply chain director. Okay, so it's a very close to my personal example. Keep in mind that you don't have to become a manager. Okay, management is all about leading and results, but you can also remain and stay an expert, from technical leader to domain expert to company expert to recognized industry expert like me. I'm not the best in the world, but I'm recognized as an expert in supply chain, and that's why I'm doing this course today. The most important is to deliver results and to have the right skills. Be aware that if you only are a manager, you're going to lose at one point your technical skills. So we are training a lot of managers because they kind of lost how to manipulate data, how to forecast. And I always recommend to mix these two. Don't forget the expertise as well, technical part. And I'm going to give you the most important skills later. Keep in mind as well that many companies today, they value more and more the level of technical expertise, like we can see it in the big tech companies. And it's very common to see like engineers at Google or Microsoft getting paid more than their managers because they're really good and they can automate and simplify a lot of things with data. Okay, so keep in mind that this is okay. Managing is a lot of pressure as well and stress, and I've been doing both, and to be honest, I enjoy more managing a small team and being an expert than leading a service of 60 or 80 people. Okay, so at the end, just to give you a few examples, and you have many, maybe you're a coordinator, you become an import manager, then you say, you know what, I don't want to become import-export team manager because I want to do more than that. So I'm going to focus more on analytics than forecasting. Then I go back to logistic project management. Then I do more like projects. Then I become a supply chain manager and then maybe a supply chain director. It could be in the same company or it could be in different companies. If you feel that you don't have the opportunities to be part of it, always focus first to explore the opportunities inside your company before exploring new ones. It's always easier because everyone knows you, and if you have a good reputation, for me, I recommend to not change your company every year because you are not happy for what you do. So try to really shine in your company. And also, my example was why I decided to be paid 40% less. Okay, so early in my career, I had this opportunity to join most of these big companies because I had good degrees, good experience, good skills as well already, especially in inventory management. But my gut feeling told me, go to Decathlon. And my gut feeling, while also I had great managers, the first project was to automate the supply chain of 2,000 stores all around the planet. And I could do anything I wanted to improve that. And I'm super happy I took the decision. My money was much less. I had pressure, social pressure from my school or maybe from myself to, I don't want to be paid so little compared to this one in the fancy consulting company in Paris. But at the end, you know what? I learned so much. I had so much fun. I had much more opportunity. And at one point, I could recover my delay on money because I had the right skills and the right projects. And at the end, money was not the first decision for me. But at the end, I'm very happy about my life today because I didn't only follow the money in my life. And the most important for me is to focus on your direction. Maybe you're an analyst today. Be clear what would be your direction the next 10 years. Okay, I want to become a director. And then just have an idea of what would be the next step. Okay, before director, I have to be manager. But before manager, I have to become maybe a demand planner in this company. And then you have to be very clear of what should you learn or improve or implement to go toward this direction. And that's what we're going to talk about with the most strategic skills. One more time to give you an idea. I had no idea what to do at the beginning. I was working during the weekend in the warehouse. Then I focusing on inventory management because for me it was easy and I like numbers. Then analyst. Then I did some data science with the MIT and Decathlon. Then I became a project manager because I love optimizing. Then inventory management expert. Then demand planning. Then supply chain project manager again. Then supply chain manager. Then SNOP and director. But it was very like, I follow where I was good. I also follow my intuition and I never stop learning as well. So now in the next, we're going to talk about what are the most strategic skills for your career. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you want to really boost your career in supply chain, I do have a new free masterclass. And I'm going to share with you the best strategies, insights, and examples to become a supply chain expert and a leader. So you can check below this video. You have all the details. And just for your information, we also offer a free masterclass on the most strategic topics in supply chain and operations, talking about inventory management, how to reduce stockouts and overstock, how to generate more accurate forecasts with forecasting and the expert from Amazon, what are the best KPIs and dashboards to track your performance, how to automate everything on Excel, how to implement an efficient and collaborative SNOP process. So if you are curious, you can check below this video. And if you don't know what are the most important skills for you, you can already do a free skills assessment with us. You have a link below and we're going to tell you what is your score, what are your best skills and the one you should improve to become an expert and leader. So thank you for watching. Let us know if you have any questions and comments, subscribe, and I see you very soon.